Hello there. So how to update all comments in Acrobat. The first thing we're going to do right now is making sure that you go to menu. In here looking for preferences, this one right there. Now once you're going to be in here, make sure you're going to be under commenting. And under making comments, the third section, uncheck this one. The first option that says always look login name for author name. Uncheck that one, click on OK, and that should be good to go. Under the all tools, make sure you expand everything and look for add comment. That one right there. As you can see, I already have two. Let me just add one more just for good of taste and discussion purposes. So that will be sample comment. As you can see right here, I have, let me just delete this two right here because I did this two earlier with that option earlier unchecked. So this is going to be sample 2 again. How about let's just type 3. Perfect. So on the first one, hold shift and click the last one all the way. All the way right there. Click on the right click, click on properties, and with this one, wait for it to open up. Click on general. Now you can change the author and subject. You can as well check the appearance of all comments altogether at the same time. And that's powerful it is, and that should do it.